What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Hey, so today we're going to do a review as well as an installation on these AUXITO LED headlights that I picked up off of AUXITO.com. They retail for right around $80. We're going to get these things out of the box, take a look at them, and then get them installed on a vehicle and see the difference that they can make. And make sure that you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can get these at a discounted rate for your vehicle if you're looking to do so. All right. Let's get these out of the box and see what we got. Get this protective wrap off of here. Get them out. First off, they come with a pair of gloves so that you can make sure you're protecting the bulb when you go to put them in. Big thing that not a lot of people realize is you have oils in your skin, and those oils can definitely shorten the life of a bulb, no matter if it be an LED or a halogen, whatever you have, HID, that can also, any of the oils that are in your skin can cause a problem when you're dealing with those kind of lights. So, just to be on the safe side, let's slap these on real quick. Looking at the bulbs first off, they look really nice. The housings are definitely of a high quality, and they have a nice little heat sink on the bottom here to, as well as a fan to pull any heat away from them so that they don't shorten the life of the bulb as well. They look pretty decent. The little rubber O-rings, good. Just a really nice design right there. So we're going to go ahead now that we've seen them, and we'll get them the original bulbs out of the car and start putting these in and see exactly the difference these bulbs are going to make. The vehicle that we are going to be installing these bulbs in is a 2009 Toyota Corolla. This Corolla has the factory headlights as well as just your basic halogen bulbs. Halogen bulbs are okay. They give you a fairly decent visibility, but I think these LEDs are going to be a big upgrade to this thing and definitely improve night driving. So really quickly, I'm going to kick on the headlights just so you can kind of compare and contrast here. We'll get an idea of what we had versus what we're going to have once this is done. Okay, with the headlights on, you can see we got our basic run-of-the-mill halogen bulb that you can pick up at any auto parts store or Walmart. They do the job, but they don't do the job all that well. So we're going to get these things out and swap them out with the new ones. This car is actually going to be pretty easy. We have a bunch of open area to get down in there. There's a little quarter turn. You just counterclockwise pull the bulb right out. Same thing on this side right here. Depending on the application that you're trying to install bulbs on, car or truck, whatever, that's going to depend on how labor intensive the job is. I know some vehicles have a little cover to keep the bulb protected from the weather or whatever. You might have to remove that. In some certain situations, you might even have to remove the headlight from the vehicle, depending on exactly how packed in it is. But this one is going to be pretty simple. All right, so let me get set up here, and we'll go ahead and get these bulbs out. Okay, so that was super easy. Just to compare and contrast before we install, on the right here, like I said, your standard halogen bulb. On the left, the LED. There's a huge difference just in the build quality between the two bulbs. So I think these are going to be awesome for increased visibility at night. All right, let's go ahead and get the new ones in and see what we got. and they're in. All right, if you look down in the top there, you can kind of see the little fan. I like how that's mounted upward. That's going to be a good way to get rid of some of the heat that these bulbs generate, dissipate the heat so you don't have to worry about the bulb getting too hot. Okay, let me turn on the headlights and we'll see exactly what we got. With the headlights on, you can see a major difference. These are like night and day between what we had in there. I failed to mention these are 6000K as well. These are the white, so they're gonna produce a really, really nice bright driving light. You can hear the fans. The fans are not loud. I know the camera is picking it up and they sound way louder than they actually are. With the hood down, you don't even hear them at all. So, and especially if the car was running, you wouldn't pick up on that. So don't let that deter you. These are not loud at all. But all right, very good upgrade. So after seeing this, if you're interested in picking up some LED bulbs for your vehicle, what you're going to want to do is head on over to AUXITO.com. There you're going to find a large selection of LED bulbs for many different cars and trucks. You'll also find exterior and interior accessories as well, and they also have stuff for motorcycles too. Make sure to use the promo code Callaway's Customs so you can save 15% off of your total order. I will put a link in the description below so you guys can navigate to the site that much quicker as well. And with that, that's going to bring this video to a close. Do me a favor, if you guys are enjoying this content, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, as well as hit that bell for notifications so you know when more videos like this are coming out. And as always, whether it be a car or a motorcycle, keep the shiny side up, and I'll see you guys all on the next video.